I'm Al-khattawi, founder and CEO of MESOX, and we lead a project called RescuePatch, which is one of the 7 projects funded by the Drug This Challenge funding. I think it's an excellent program. It allowed us to take a nice idea after the feasibility stage and turn it into an actual prototype product that is almost ready to go to the clinic and almost ready to be with testing in real environment. I think it's an opportunity which has allowed us to actually do something of, I think, high value, noble, important. And we hope that with further support, we'll be able to get this product in the hands of people who need to use it in the future. I'll tell you how, we've done this acceptability study where we talk to families, we talk to people who use or potentially could use this. And the feedback has been just, beyond belief essentially for us. They're really excited about this. They started coming up with ideas of how they would use it. Some people said, let's put it as a keychain. When can we have this? Some clinicians said, could we actually trial it? So there's excitement about it. They see it as a life-saving product, essential thing to be in the hands of patients or people who use drugs and their caregivers and family members. So I think it's something that is really needed, and that's why we enjoy doing what we're doing. So obviously the funding is an important part. It's a critical part to push innovations. Innovations by nature, they're risky. They're daring ideas. They kind of break from the tradition. And therefore, you need that belief and de-risk in funding to actually make sure we test these things and we make sure that they are ready for actual trial with patients and eventually in the hands of those users. So funding is a critical part. But I think another aspect very important for us is defining and co-designing and co-developing the idea in the first place. So when we started, we actually came with an idea of a patch of naloxone only. And then when we spoke with NHS5, colleagues at NHS5 said, you know what, there's actually a bigger problem that we have here, which is 70% actually die due to mixing drugs rather than just opioids. You've got benzos happening at the same time. And that's how the idea got developed and how it progressed. We ended up with a combo patch rather than a single antidote patch. So it's that, to summarize, is that funding element, which is very needed to de-risk the innovation, and the contribution collaboration with a partner like NHS5 that understands the reality of the problem on the ground. I think we hope that by 2027, we'll have this as a product that is used in the NHS, that is in the community. Gradually, it'll be rolled out to be essentially with family members of drug users, in charities, in pharmacies. The dream is to have it as an OTC product at one point, available freely, distributed widely, and being used to the maximum essentially. So it's all about that widening access to these antidotes that we're trying to achieve here. As an organization, we're growing. We're a small team currently, but we are very determined to actually achieve the impact that we aspire to have by having this product on the market. We've got other products as well. But yeah, we look to grow to be a pharma company essentially with a purpose. And an important purpose, I think, for patients, for drug users, for the community.